outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always finds his way back home, and it's so true. Later on, fall through and pop one. You know the motto, smoke some, drink some.
What's up, YouTube? So this vlog consists of just Christmas activities and we're gonna be baking, photo shoots. What else was going on? I don't remember. But this is like Christmas semi vlog, you feel me? So yeah, we're finna go to Walmart and I'm gonna catch y'all at Walmart and then we'll catch you back at the house and then
oh sorry.
nah, you're good. We hitting up Wally World.
But I'm trying to see
What? Pepperoni, pizza crust, marinara. Nah, I say marinara. Pizza sauce. But
wait, can I see? Look at the camera. I fear this might be a little better than my camera quality.
nah, it's just your settings. Pinky promise. It's the same camera, I'm not gonna lie. Chad, this is so awkward vlogging because this girl just went past me and she got scared. She just got scared. She jumped. Do you see her?
Yes, I did see
She said
I'm looking for a pajama set, but I don't see it.
bro, I'm gonna just put them. Yeah, I'm gonna just talk to y'all when we get to the food aisle. The like cake mix. For the brownies. Pizza crust.
Crust. Isn't that just like dough? Or you want pre-made? What is pre-made crust?
Yeah.
You made pre-made.
Cause who? Who was making that? I was. Oh, did you want to make it?
No.
Oh, okay. Cause I was like, ooh.
Is that in the cold section though? Pre-made crust? Wouldn't that be cold?
Yeah, I low-key need a basket. But yeah, we got mozzarella red velvet. And I got some flushable ice because I really be shit. Just like that. So yeah. But let me put my camera because it's yeah, I see what people be talking about when they say it's hard to record in public because
this is not for the weekend.
It's not. It takes a lot of strength, especially for me because once you start looking at me and they're
I'll put it away.
yeah, we on the cart.
Alright. You said we need dough?
We in our camera section.
No, actually. I really like your camera quality.
I just put like a little filter up there. I just gotta look through your camera. Yeah.
Yeah, look at my settings because I don't know nothing about that.
But yeah, it's a filter setting.
Wait, let me take a picture. Hold on. Sorry.
Yeah.
Wait, one more. Okay.
Chad, this is why we vlog at home.
Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always finds his way back home, and it's so true. Later on, fall through and pop one.
Great value, of course. Great value, of course.
Got your hand on my Glock while your ass ride shotgun. High stakes, risk it every day. I know fucking ugly niggas just not fun. Had to zero out the fade cause I'm not one. Yeah. So smoke something, drink something, pop one. Smoke something, drink something, pop one. Smoke something, drink something, pop one. Smoke something, drink something, pop one.
Yeah, you're not gonna say it right. You be like Jordan. 6, 7.
Well, no, cause he is gonna. I can just be mad at him doing that shit.
Smoke some, drink some, pop one. 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 Smoke some, drink some, pop one.
So you can take your home home, yeah.
Oh, no, I understand.
Yeah, hell yeah, I got it.
All right, guys. Hey. What Brent is really good.
I don't know. For me personally, I spent a little more, but it was like
Really?
at 21,
My favorites.
and I just can't like. When you're 21, you that's it. Like
Literally.
just
After
pull out
that,
your card
there's
and
no
say bow.
This is the best.
Chat, don't get
this is the
addicted to
pack.
Celsius.
No, we're not gonna do the pack. I don't need the pack
Don't
right
get
now.
addicted to Celsius.
And I thought, oh my gosh, no, watch out.
I'm sorry.
I don't know. I thought the day would never come that I'd be like, that I like a Celsius.
Please calm down on the addiction.
sorry.
Please.
I just
It's scary.
No, it is scary. I'm not gonna lie. Like,
But when we was at Target and just overall, like I had to
where do you
cut so
watch
many
your
clips off.
vlogs?
Huh?
where do you post them at? I be trying to
On
find them
YouTube.
sometimes. You have a YouTube?
Yes, YouTube.
Jordan, you never told me this. I be like, where's
It's on my
half
Instagram.
vlogs?
I just know you be swiping through there. I had to cut out so many stuff out.
Oh, because we were being messy?
It was like so much shit. I couldn't even put I couldn't post so much shit. So
Make me go.
so shall we? Focus. Focus. Okay. So chat, I just love when we get innocent, like, you know, we walk down with this little bit of stuff. We pay for everything, of course.
Didn't want to, but
Yeah, didn't want to, but it was like, nah, y'all good. No receipt check. You know what I mean? Like, next time, like, I got to next time.
Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU.
We're back. We got everything. You said what? And we finna get down to business. This is the cooking J&J series. We got the gems, go girl. So, low exposure time.
dang it.
Yeah.
Who is requesting my stand? Now you cannot get in. Look good. Shade like my baby.
Wrong thing.
Titties real. Look fake.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, we did wash our hands. We didn't show on camera, but we did wash our hands. We did do that. That's how you know you be cooking, because I don't know.
I'm saying, I'm like, what the heck?
I'm still confused. You gotta wipe them out.
Oh, okay. Alright guys, I'm texting my friend.
Oh.
You tore it? I forgot you do have to tear it. Where'd you start it from? This right here?
Yeah.
Oh, it says start here. Okay, anyways. But yeah, I woke up and actually blah, 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 whatever. I was like, okay.
It tastes good like soul food. Parked up outside in the old school.
Yeah, lucky. Like, yeah. I didn't know you do it. It smells good, don't it?
Yeah, it smells like it'll be sweet though.
I think I'm gonna do square. Why are you doing yours?
You gonna have to do square.
You
Nigga, what?
Okay.
Wait, Jordan, you were saying crack this though.
Wait, just keep twisting it. There you go.
Okay. Oh my god. Anyways, and then we're out.
It tastes good like soul food. Parked up outside in the old school. The new me.
Out.
What you mean?
Like, it was already real easy.
Let me just unroll it real quick. Don't worry. Don't worry.
I was like, hold on.
You weren't gonna say anything?
Back with the OU. The dog always find his way back home, and it's so true. Later on, fall through and pop one. You know the motto: smoke something, drink something, pop one.
So, I'm doing like cheesy stuff, crust.
You know the motto: smoke something, drink something, pop one.
Yeah, I really do. Alright. Okay, let's just like. this, please. Yo.
Wait, no, wait. I've seen this in movies, watch out.
Oh my god, you finna. No, I think we do it once I get it flat in it.
Got your hand on my Glock while your ass ride shotgun. High stakes.
Alright, cool.
Ooh, yeah.
But I
Yeah.
don't have no. I'm not gonna lie. I don't trust myself to do it.
Just flick it up.
No, it's
Not that high.
I promise it's not as easy as it seems.
Look, just,
No, I can't. Like,
yeah,
that's
yeah,
not
keep
doing
going, keep
nothing,
going.
though. Do they? How they got hands?
Just like a basketball. Stretch it, stretch it.
Okay.
Cause we gotta bake this, pre-bake this for 8 minutes.
Smoke some, drink some, pop one. Smoke some, drink some.
Never let you
another
bake up.
food.
I never let you bake a piece. It's all.
I'm actually really mad, like for real. Jordan, I'm not gonna lie. Can you please do mine? Like I
I
can't.
was doing it and flipping it.
I'm just a girl. Guys, if it was flatter, like, I don't know.
Maybe I'll just do it so you can flatten it up, cause I don't really know what that's.
Do the damn thing.
I'm not really sure what that's all about. I'm going up this hill. Save my marriage.
Thank you.
One by one. Smoke some, drink some, pop one. Smoke some, drink some, pop. Yeah. Smoke some, drink some, pop one. Smoke some, drink some, pop one.
Oh, hell no.
I think it's because of the.
Get it.
Smoke some, drink some, pop one. Smoke some, drink some, pop one. Smoke some, drink some. It tastes good like soul food.
Should change her name to Party Gets Her Way. Do not drop mine. I'm not gonna lie. If you drop it, I'm taking yours home, bro. It don't work. I'm telling you.
We back on track. Miss not cook over here.
I tell people I can't cook.
What do you say? How do I put down? I ain't doing with that. Hit her back. Double back. Honey pat. Honey pat. Butter. Butter make it taste better. Parsley, oregano. Parsley. What is it? Oregano. Where a little bit of garlic.
What? We forgot something? No.
The marinade. Bro, what's up?
Oh
I
my!
knew this soda was missing.
I knew we should have wrote this down.
I knew it.
I'm like, good people
Put
like
my
right
butter
there,
back in
right?
the oven. I meant back in the picture right here.
Shit, Hayata.
We gotta buttery back with a butter. Cause butter make it taste better. So we're gonna put a little bit of garlic, just a tad, you feel me? Tad bit of garlic. We go oregano.
Sorry.
Bro.
I like you calling me.
Okay, and then we go
Okay.
parsley. So that's for this little
A
person.
little bit more garlic. Just a little bit. You didn't put a lot in there.
I did put a Quiquito seasoning.
Alright. Hey.
You want some more? Okay.
Actually,
I'm scared.
just one. Just one.
I don't know. You heavy-handed. I didn't know you was gonna do that.
Why did you say that?
Bro.
Yeah.
I was just about cooking with your ass.
Chat. I'm sorry, guys. We got a minute left. You ain't close.
So where have you been? We've been in college slavery. Chin. I'm on the X, Y, C, I.
I'm so excited.
It's gonna sound so good, Chad.
Bitch, run me my sack before I come.
Straight up.
This was the song? I did not know that.
It's so good though.
You want another song?
Yeah.
I don't know that.
Oh, it just smells like it's gonna be good too. I'm already knowing.
This regular thing, the Rios,
Yeah.
it's top brand.
I admit it. With this
Mr. Chef. Okay, Chad, we're back.
Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always find his way back home, and it's so true.
Okay, so to go now, Chad. Let's do. Okay, we'll come back to y'all when it's done. Cause my camera finna die. Oh. So the pizza is done, came out. This is my square. This is Jordan's pizza. And it was good. I came out hers looking a little better than mine, but I put extra pepperoni just so mine look like that. So yeah. Catch y'all later. Okay, Chadley's pizza's done.
Alright. Very done. I'm sorry.
Yeah. You want to cut yours?
Yeah, I don't understand.
Probably might need a knife too.
Drinks on my one. Smoke some 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 drinks on.
Here we go. Strawberry lemonade. Ice cool drink. Oh, my bad. You can have mine.
There you go.
Drinks on my one. Smoke some drinks on my one. Smoke some drinks.
I'm good at that.
I'm in flow state. Oh my god.
Drake, pizza, lemonade.
What else can you ask for, Mike?
Chad, so we making red velvet brown. That we see on TikTok. Buddy B.
I came back to let you know. Gotta think
This is actually making my life a little.
So we finished the photo shoot. But I was not be able to record the behind the scenes, so some of the behind So right now we're looking through the pictures.
Tastes good like soul food. Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always find his way back home, and it's so true. Later on, fall through and pop one. You know the motto, smoke something, drink something, pop one. Got your hand on my Glock while your ass ride shotgun. High stakes, risk it every day.
What's up, vlog? Friendsgiving here. Yeah, just vibes.
Tastes good like soul food. Park hey, bro.
Yeah, the whole Friendsgivmas, whatever the fuck. We here though, son. Play some and shit, all that. We gonna catch y'all in the next clip. Hopefully in the next clip, everybody tea. Bro, you gotta yell shot the clock, bro. On some cool shit.
Okay.
Okay. On some shots.
We're gonna do it when everybody get here.
Everybody. You feel what I'm saying?
Chat, I'm already looking suck, so I'm already hot. Like I'm already. It don't take me long. Yeah, I'm weak.
Nah, I feel that. But we gonna catch y'all in the next clip though. On some shit.
Nobody wants to hear about my vlog.
I'm like, who's the second one?
Oh my god. Wait, whose turn is it? Hi guys, we're playing imposter. Okay. So right now, everybody thinks that Aloris is the imposter.
Okay, but he could be just hopping off the wall.
I'm not the imposter. Kira, are you the
I'm
imposter?
not the imposter. I know what the word is.
Are you the imposter? Oh my god.
I don't think I'm the imposter though.
I don't think I am either. Because I said Shell. Okay, whatever. Someone else said it, and all of a sudden I'm the fucking imposter. Like, what the fuck? Acting crazy where I go.
A girl in like her own world. Minding her own business.
Exactly. I say one thing, everybody come up on me like. Look, I want you to keep in mind. Wait, can we take notice how Jordan didn't understand none of the sayings? Jordan was like, what? Every single time. Jordan. I don't even remember. How do you? Oh my fucking god! Y'all wanna kill me for that? Listen,
Tastes good like soul food. Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always find his way back home, and it's so true. Later on, fall through and pop one. You know the motto, smoke something, drink something, pop one. Got your hand on my Glock while your ass ride shotgun.
we have Kiera, we have Cameron, we have Sincere, we have Eric, we have Tyreek, and then we have Dawn, and then we have Jordan, and then we have Aloris, and then we have Jordan, and then we have Peter, right? Exactly, I remember names.
Smoke some, drink some, pop one. Smoke some, drink some, pop one. Smoke some, drink some, pop one.
Okay.
Some drink, some power. Smoke some, drink 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 some power.
And my second answer is. Why are you looking at me?
Some power. Smoke some, drink 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 some power. Out the fade, cause I'm not one. So smoke some, drink some, pop one. 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 Smoke some, drink some. Had to zero out the fade, cause I'm not one. So smoke some, drink some, pop one. 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 Smoke some, drink some, smoke some, drink some, pop one. 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 Smoke some, drink some. It tastes good like soul food. Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always find his way back home, and it's so true. Later on, fall through and pop one. You know the motto, smoke something, drink something, pop one. Got your hand on my Glock while your ass ride shotgun. High stakes, we risk it every day. I know fucking ugly niggas just not fun. Had to zero out the fade, cause I'm not one. So smoke something, drink something, pop one. 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 Smoke some, drink some, 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 pop one. Smoke some, drink some. good like soul food. Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always find his way back home, and it's so true. Later on, fall through and pop one. You know the motto, smoke something, drink something, pop one. Got your hand on my Glock while your ass ride shotgun. High stakes, risk it every day. I know fucking ugly niggas just not fun. Had to zero out the fade cause I'm not one. Yeah. So smoke something, drink something, pop one. 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 Yeah. Smoke something, drink something, pop one. 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 Smoke something, drink